4 major benefits of stainless steel in residential kitchens. Dear friends, stainless steel is a preferred material in residential kitchens for several reasons. 1. Durability. Stainless steel is known for its exceptional strength and abrasion resistance. Its ability to withstand heat, moisture, and harsh chemicals ensures that residential kitchens can withstand the test of daily use without compromising its integrity. This durability means that kitchens last longer, minimizing the need for frequent replacements and reducing long-term costs. 2. Hygienic and easy to maintain. Stainless steel's non-porous surface makes it extremely easy to clean and maintain. Its smooth surface prevents the accumulation of bacteria, food particles, and other contaminants, ensuring a sanitary environment that meets the strict standards of the food service industry. 3. Fire resistance. Stainless steel's inherent fire resistance makes it an ideal choice for residential kitchens, where the risk of fire is always present. The material will not ignite or contribute to the spread of flames, providing an additional layer of safety for employees and patrons. 4. Versatility and customization. Stainless steel offers a wide variety of finishes, textures, and designs, offering endless customization possibilities. From brushed to polished, matte to mirrored, the options are endless, allowing designers to create unique and visually stunning spaces that reflect a brand's identity and aesthetic vision. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.